Filipino in this Filipino restaurant. My beautiful wife in her new Pensacola Beach attire that my niece Katrina and Kimbo made. Go see what they got in this joint. Yeehaw, yeehaw. Oh, they got pork barbecue. All right. Pork barbecue. Sinigang. Gila's famous dish. Adobo. It's like pork adobo. Filipino cuisine. I'm coming, honey. Alright. Goodies here. 3 entree platter, $5.99. Monday Madness.
4 chicken.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Sige na. Ano? There we go, back to the hotel to eat some Filipino food. Oh yeah. My wife, again, she's happy because she has her rice and fish and Tehran.
6.5 hours later.
Here we are, chicks on the beach. My beautiful wife, little dinner date here. Let's see what we got going on, see how long the wait's gonna be. I need a mask.
You guys often thought
So we're ordering 4 calamaris and 4 fries for Dai and the kids. I'm gonna get, and John, and I will be getting the fried jumbo shrimp and a calamari of my own to share with my beautiful wife and her orange crush virgin cocktail. It's good. I bet. It's a nice little place here. I'm good. We're sitting at the bar. There's the only seat available. So we'll see y'all when the food gets here. Alright guys, food's here. Shrimp and some hush puppies. And some calamari. So let's give this a taste here. Okay, here we go. Actually, you know what? Pop some lemon on there. It is good. Alright, let me taste this calamari here. Alright, here's Dai's to goes. Or 4 fries and 8 calamaris. So we gotta carry all this to the car, baby. Alright. There we go. Delivery success. Successful delivery. Maayong buntag. Good morning. on Virginia Beach. Day 2. Let's see. Today we're gonna check out. Go to another Filipino restaurant. Get some brunch. Sounds fancy, I know. And then we're gonna go to Jollibee and get some chicken sandwiches to take home. Oh, and Red Ribbon again. All right. So I'll see y'all then. Who's this guy?
Good morning.
Coming in here all. Mang buntag.
Wow, I love that. My buntag, Mark. You're the best, Mark.
Hi y'all, fixing to leave this beautiful place. We're gonna head out to the door and do some checking out. Come join us on our adventure.
Good job.
Yeah, I'll get it. I like to
Arrange.
Oh,
master pack.
okay.
The master packer.
Alright, here we are. Karaoke and dance nights.
Oh, really?
Okay, alright, here we are. Let's go see this Filipino food. See what we got. Karaoke nights, Oriental restaurant. Alright, I gotta put my mask on. See what we got here. Got a little bar here. Alright, let's see my wife doing over here. There's Chard.
What can you say about this restaurant?
It's okay.
What can you say?
I can say it's a Filipino restaurant. Let me get a combo. Palabo. And let me get 2 pork barbecue. Honey.
I know.
Demo. Good. Alright.
Good, yeah. Pichi.
Pichi.
This one is benignit.
Fresh turon.
Can I get two turons? That's to go. Oh,
Let's go try this Filipino food. Hey.
Dig in.
Whew. Alright, let's try this pork barbecue and halibut. Alright, halibut.
You say it right.
The crumble stuff on top, look right here. What is that?
Crushed chicharron.
Chicharron. Okay. Halibut is good. It's a pretty decent sized pork barbecue too. It's not skimpy. How much was the combo?
$6.99.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty big pork barbecue. As always, my wife's stealing my food, which I don't mind.
You can steal my.
She's very beautiful.
You can steal this, but look.
She's my sun-kissed Filipino beauty.
Now you.
And we're out of here. Jordan. That was pretty good. Pretty good food. Good amount of food for the price. 1, 2. Where are we going? Red Ribbon. And then Jollibee. And then home. We'll see y'all in a minute. Red Ribbon Filipino Bake Shop. Go see what they got in here. Alright guys, I gotta pop on this mask real quick. I'll show y'all what we got kicking here. It's Red Ribbon. Take a look around here. Got some pastries over here. Caramel bar. Yummy. Ube. Come on. Okay, my mom. What are you getting, baby?
Obi mamon.
Mamon?
Obi.
It's not mammon?
Empanada.
What's a day?
Summer. Wait. Mamon na obi.
Baby, give me a chicken empanada.
Okay.
I want to try it.
Okay, that's two.
Chicken empanada. Yeah. Those things right over there.
Can I buy green butter mamon? The butter mamon. Green.
Where's your card? Thank you. $39.89. Woo! Ma'am, please don't cause a scene over here, ma'am. Alright, here we go. Off to the car. Bye-bye, Red Ribbon. Sige, Jordan, kuya. Salamat. Alright, off to Jollibee. Alright guys, we're at the famous Filipino fast food place, Jollibee. I'm gonna go in here, order some chicken sandwiches. Alright, right in time. Hey, salamat. Alright. Alright, I got my 3 chicken sandwiches. Alright, ready, buddy? Everybody's like, you got a Filipino and a white guy. Shouldn't the Filipino guy be walking out with the Jollibee?
Maybe they will think, oh, that's his Joa.
Joa. We're in the tunnel heading home. Just coming in DC. And there's the traffic. Thank you, Lord. We arrived safe at the house.
We're home.
We're home, unfortunately.
Daisy? Daisy? We're home. Welcome home.
Jollibee sandwiches.